Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ ज्योति. ये है
और मैं हूँ
श्रुति.
श्रुति. Hi.
You're still here, ना? You're still here.
I am still here. Are you still here?
I'm still here.
Sure, पक्का?
We,
Still here?
we are both still here,
I can guess
and
what is going on right now. Jojo, still here? Still here? What still here? What is still here?
it's time. It is time. And so here's the deal.
हाँ,
We were waiting. We announced in the last reaction of Sazai Maut that we'll wait for the next video because there is
yeah,
another video coming.
true.
But now I've been getting DMs saying next video is coming only in April, and nobody wants us to wait that long. So, and plus,
वैसे तो आ गया अप्रैल मतलब अभी आ ही गया है
yeah,
लेकिन फिर हाँ
but we have to now like not wait. I don't want to wait. Basically, let's just
I also
put
don't
it
want to
that.
wait.
I'm just like people are tagging me in stories and things on Insta,
Yeah,
and there are songs from the albums with snippets happening, and I'm just like, don't give me spoilers. I don't
हाँ,
want to hear anything. So let's just
yeah,
begin. This is the intro,
cool.
and in all probability, this will never have a video, so we are safe.
Okay. Oh,
And
good.
yeah, so let's begin. Let's do it.
Okay, ready. Count me down.
1, 2, 3, play.
It gives me a great deal of pleasure to introduce to you a man who needs no introduction. A man who on every occasion has given the best that he has. I give you
ये है गहरा दर्द ये है कड़वा सच डील विद द डेविल ये है मेरा कर्ज ली थी जिम्मेदारी ये है मेरा फर्ज क्यों बने सारे यहाँ शेर बिना किए अर्ज बुलंद है मेरे हौसले हाँ देखे मैंने आते जाते बहुत से हाँ इस दुनिया से जाना अनजान ये मेरा खौफ है शायद सुने मुझे मेरी मौत पे ये हाँ इट्स अ कोल्ड प्लेस लाइफ भी एक रैट रेस ये है उनके लिए जिनके जिंदगी में सैड फेस होप दिस म्यूजिक हेल्प्स यू थ्रू द बैड डेज आसपास खाली बोतलें और बड़ी एस्ट्रेस मेरे मन में नहीं बैठा कोई वैम यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट दीस हैंड्स इफ यू आर फकिंग विद द गैंग अब बताना क्यों जरूरी जब ये जानते हुआ एम देसी रैप का 44 कैलिबर किलर सन ऑफ सैम सच नहीं बोलते मेरे एनिमीज जब मिलोगे then keep the same energy when I go करना पोर थोड़ी एनएससी on a roll do it all for the legacy मेरे जगह पे नहीं and you never be मैंने रैपर बहुत टांगे like a centipede दिल्ली शहर में पैदा है नाम रैपन जी हर चीज की लगती यहाँ जैक जैसे टेनेसी कमिटमेंट वाले इशू ब्रो I don't ever see love life marathon everybody trying to keep up थोड़ा फेम पाके लगे मिले जीत जब चमचे घूमे इनके आसपास जैसे टी कप no no I don't fall for that इनको तो चाहिए थोड़ा प्यार I don't know for that रात गुजारू स्टूडियो में देना कॉल for caps dedicate करी है life and that's all for rap कौन है साथ तुम्हारे crew for life all I need is one mic वो है true for life कर वह उस पे खुद से घुस के खुद के पुश से भरोसा अगर मुझ पे I prove them right sell out बोला पर मैं sell out नहीं था लगे सारे कौनी पर ये Kellogg's नहीं था अब middle class child कभी well off नहीं था मैं तो grind पे ही रहा किया fell off नहीं था It's on till I die यही plan करी थोड़ी मेहनत तो बने थोड़े bands Thank you for the love अगर बने मेरे fan पर तुम fan नहीं fam इस आवाम till the end Legendary जैसे B.I.G पहचानने लगे लोग I don't need ID Fifth class भी मेरे लिए तब hard थी मुश्किल से करी पास थी आज पास पे है VIP ऐसे ही फिर tables turn Rappers get beat no Ableton जब देखा dead end I made a turn इन्हें सुनाई मुझे fable was these labels burn लगता कुछ दिक्कत है नहीं yeah They don't wanna see me winning Peace मैंने घर बैठे नोट गिने 2021 I'm about to make a killing मुझे सब दिखे clear Hustle मेरी sincere मुझे सब दिखे clear दिल में ना fear मुझे सब दिखे clear किया मैंने persevere मुझे सब दिखे clear That's why I'm still here
इसीलिए I'm still here. So
Nice.
the last lines were from the Key freestyle, na? Lovely. With such a
So the
brilliant.
last few lines,
Mm,
were they in his voice?
I think so. I think so.
Because I felt like thoda it's a deep husky, treatment had been given to the
Mm,
voice
mm.
a
It was
little bit.
treated. Yeah, it was treated.
Yeah,
But I think it was
sounded
him.
good though.
Mm,
Yeah, sounded good. Very nice. So first impressions,
was.
क्या लगा? Starting
So
से.
I mean, he's kept it real as he always does, and he's. I mean, it's a perfect intro, no? He's talking about
Yeah,
what is on his mind, and
yeah.
I've kept it real. There's people coming at me, and they're gonna basically kill them. And if they take panga, and and they call me a sellout, and and all of that, and how real um his his um
His
his
entire journey.
relationship
Yeah,
is with his
yeah,
art, that is
Yeah.
what came out the most for me, because there were so
Yeah.
many lines where he just
Correct.
went, you know,
That
he's like,
mic line, I loved it. I
oh,
loved it. That one specific mic line कि बाकी होने हो
exactly,
like that mic ही साथ देने वाला है. मुझे बस एक mic चाहिए.
exactly. I'm pulling up the lyrics because so many bars. Let's just quickly go through the. Um, what are
Lyrics.
your impressions? You go.
So I really like normally see now we're very used to Krishna dropping heavy bars. Like, you know, he'll do like जिसके अंदर rhyme scheme double, triple, 4 times ऐसे, you know, अलग अलग अगर match the following करो Krishna के lyrics का, it's like लाइनें इधर 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 खींचेंगी
Mm,
सब जगह, right? So we're used to that happening, that you're constantly trying to catch up. What I
mm,
really liked was that he kept a very nice pace in this first track.
mm,
Like it wasn't fast,
mm,
yet there were enough switches which give you like a different taste. I like how he right in the end, like, you know, it was so obvious that there was like this whole deep voice thing happening. So that was also, I'm going to consider that a nice switch, because एक certain आवाज में जब आप थोड़े bars बोलते हो, impact अलग आता है. You know what I mean? So all these different ways, the way he was experimenting with, they
mm,
came across, and they came across really cleanly. That even
mm,
somebody new like us can figure out, hear it, and say, "अरे वाह, you know, कितना अच्छा था." So
mm,
overall, now I'm really looking forward to his album कि वो नया क्या करने वाला है इसमें.
mm. Now
Because, you know, you expect that.
I
You
want
expect
to flow into the second track from here. It was just because, you know, when you sit and listen to the album in one sitting, right from
yeah,
track one to the end, it's a different feel. Now I
very.
feel like firstly that voiceover that it started with, introducing the one
Yeah.
who's kept it
Oh
real, all these
yeah.
so nicely
Yeah.
done, and then
Yeah.
it's like what that was
No, it was very politician voice, na? The way normally when politics may you're announcing somebody, and like a
mm,
very old age, like even when moon landing had happened, that time the opening voiceovers used to sound like that.
yeah,
Like, you know,
yeah.
jab aap radio mein baat karo, and now, you know, our man who's going to come in. It was very nice. So the different voices, the experimentation going on in this song, I like. I really like.
Production, really good production. Um, okay, ये है गहरा दर्द, ये है कड़वा सच, deal with the devil, ये है मेरा कर्ज, nice, हाँ, ली थी जिम्मेदारी, ये है मेरा फर्ज, क्यों बने सारे यहाँ शेर बिना किए अर्ज, I like this. बुलंद है मेरे हौसले, देखे मैंने आते जाते बहुत से, इस दुनिया से जाना अनजान, ये मेरा खौफ है. I like this line. I don't, you know, that's his biggest fear.
इस दुनिया से जाना अनजान, हाँ,
अनजान.
ये मेरा
हम्म.
खौफ है. I think
शाय-
most लोगों का खौफ होता है.
शायद सुनने मुझे मेरी मौत पे ये सुने मुझे मेरी मौत पे ये. It's a cold place, life है एक rat race, ये है उनके लिए जिनके जिंदगी में sad face. Hope this music helps you through the bad days. Nice. आसपास खाली बोतलें और भरी ashtrays. मेरे मन में नहीं बैठा कोई वहम. You can always get these hands with the gang. अब बताना क्यों जरूरी जब ये जानते हो I am देसी rap का 44 caliber killer son of Sam. Uh, I think Son
So
of
this
Sam
killer
was a
son of Sam,
serial. No, I think that's a serial killer if I remember correctly, but I'm not sure. सच नहीं बोलते मेरे. You should know. You watch all these crime
I do, but
things.
that's why I'm trying to like wiggle my
Um,
brain and go, son of Sam. I
I
don't know.
don't. I think I'm wrong, but something it is American
Huh.
news. सच नहीं बोलते मेरे enemies. जब मिलोगे, then keep the same energy when I go. करना pour थोड़ी Hennessy on a. This Hennessy should pay.
Yeah.
On a roll, do it all for the legacy. Nice. Legacy is a thing. मेरी जगह पे नहीं and you'll never be. मैंने रैपर बहुत दिल्ली शहर में पैदा and I'm rapping G town. हर चीज की लगती है यहाँ जैक जैसे Tennessee. Okay, this I didn't get. Commitment वाले issues, bro. I don't ever see love, life marathon. Everybody trying to keep up. थोड़ा fame. Life is a marathon. थोड़ा fame. So you're getting. He's very like. मैं लंबी रेस का घोड़ा हूँ. Everyone's gonna try and
Correct.
keep up with me, but they won't. You know, I'll be here even after they've gone, and I was
Correct.
here before they were. Okay, थोड़ा फेम
Yeah.
पाके
Yeah.
चमचे घूमे आसपास जैसे teacup. I like this. So you know how I've noticed this in his lyrics. He does a lot of he'll say the profound thing in the first half of the line, and in the second half he'll go jaise something. It can be
Huh.
who's saying jaise Nasir, or because that's Nasir
Mm.
Hussain, or
Yeah.
he'll go something chamche ghume aaspaas jaise teacup. So he does this jaise
Correct.
thing
Like an
very often.
example. Yeah.
And then when he says the thing he's gonna say after jaise, it's like what did he just do? You know, that little
Yeah. Yeah.
happy surprise moment happens.
Correct.
Okay, so no, I don't fall for that. इनको तो चाहिए, I don't know, रात गुजारू स्टूडियो में. Then I call for cab. Dedicate करी है life, and that's all for rap. कौन है साथ तुम्हारे crew for life? All I need is one mic. वो है true for life. That's the one you liked, huh? Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, sell out, बोरा sell out नहीं था. लगे सारे कौनी पर ये Kellogg's नहीं था. See? the
Ah,
the referencing that happens in the second part, it just completely cracks you up and changes the meaning of the first part of the
yeah,
sentence. So,
yeah.
okay, अभी अब middle class child कभी well off नहीं था, मैं तो grind पे ही रहा किया fell off नहीं था, it's on till I die यही plan करी थोड़ी मेहनत, तो बने थोड़े bands, thank you for the love अगर बने मेरे fan पर तुम fan नहीं fam it's आवाम till the end, legendary जैसे B.I.G पहचानने लगे लोग I don't need ID, जरा आज है VIP, I didn't get this Ableton, rappers get beat no Ableton, Ableton क्या है? I don't know. जब देखा Dead End I made a turn जिन्होंने सुनाई मुझे Fable Okay, yeah, then the last 5-6 lines are from the freestyle. So
Mm.
from the album E. You can't call that the intro because now this is the intro. So what was
This is
that?
the intro. What
That
was
was the announcement, album announcement. Let's just call it that. He's announcing the album.
Yeah.
So
No, and you were right
yay.
about the son
Mm.
of Sam, by the way. That was the American serial killer.
Oh, it was right.
Yeah. About the 44 caliber killer. He was known as self-proclaimed son of Sam. So that you were right.
And what
Yes.
is Ableton? Check Ableton.
Check Ableton as well.
Ableton. अब हम कर ही रहे हैं lyrics का. Let's
So
just
why not?
this is
So
fine.
Ableton Live 10 hai, Ableton Live 2 hai. So Ableton is a number of apps and hardware products. It comes with all life's essential workflow. So it's a music production tool, like like an
Okay.
app that creates music. I mean, unless he's referring to this Ableton
No,
only.
no, he's saying
because-
ऐसे ही फिर tables turn, rappers get beat, no Ableton. So I think it's
so
different.
beat, correct. So it's that beat checker and shuffler. So I guess maybe that's the thing. Oh, nice.
Lovely, good start, good start. Now
He.
I think let me see next क्या होगा after this. What's my name?
What's my name? What's my name?
He's already
Sorry.
done say my name.
I know.
I
Say
will
my
ignore
name
this.
and what's my name.
So now we are coming to what's my name. Now he's like, what is it? What is it? Okay.
Uh,
So anyway, we will get to that next, guys. Hope you enjoyed this and tell us what is your favorite track on the album. Let's just start talking about those
Yes.
things, है ना?
Correct.
Um,
And hit like while you're at it. And definitely tell us, like you said, what? Yes.
Miss
yes.
Bola's channel is linked
Yes.
below.
Oh, acha. Yes, please do that.
See you in the next one. Live long and prosper.